Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Philips Hue Outdoor lights with Hue Bridge, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all necessary materials. Ensure you have your Philips Hue Outdoor lights and the Hue Bridge ready. Select the optimal locations for your outdoor lights. Make sure these locations are within range of your Wi-Fi network. Next, turn off the power at the circuit breaker to avoid any electrical hazards. Remove the outdoor lights from their packaging. Refer to the installation manual for specific mounting instructions. Use a power drill to secure the lights to the selected surfaces. Connect the wires of the outdoor lights to the electrical supply. Once connected, restore power at the circuit breaker. Verify that the lights turn on. Now, plug in the Hue Bridge to a power source. Connect the Hue Bridge to your Wi-Fi router using the Ethernet cable provided. Initialize the Hue Bridge by pressing the button on the top. Download the Philips Hue app from your device's app store. Open the app and create an account or log in if you already have one. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your Hue Bridge. Once the setup is complete, add your outdoor lights through the app. Select the Add Light option and follow the prompts. The app will search for your newly installed outdoor lights. Once they appear, select them to connect. After the connection is successful, you can customize your light settings. Explore options to schedule lighting and create scenes. Finally, test the outdoor lights to ensure everything is functioning as intended. Enjoy your newly installed Philips Hue Outdoor lighting system. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.